Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. So first of all guys, you have to open Roblox app. Now tap on three dot over here and go to settings. Now go to privacy, and here you have to check whether you have this microphone in the privacy or not. So using microphone you can chat with voice, which is a voice chat feature. But if you don't see this option guys, you can get the voice chat without ID verification. You just need to guys open account info, and where you have to enter your number and verify your number using uh, just one time password. So the code will be sent to your number and you just need to enter those code into your account, and your account number will be verified. Once you verify your number guys, you just need to uh, but guys, there is a condition. So if you are in these countries, US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand, etc., then you just need to be 18 13 plus, and just need to be the phone verified user to get the voice chat. But if you are not in these countries, then you have to use ID verification to enable chat with voice. So guys, that's how you can get the voice chat feature. But if you are not in these countries, you have to use the ID verification. But if you are in these countries, you just need to verify your number from the account info, and once you verify your number, you will get this microphone feature directly in the privacy. I got this feature using the phone verification. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. I didn't use anything. I didn't verify my ID. I just need to verify my number, and I got this feature, voice chat feature in the privacy. Hope you like it. Hope you understood. And this is a official page of voice chat, or the Roblox. So you can see that how can you get the voice chat feature. You must be in these 10 countries, and also you have to be 13 plus to get voice chat without ID verification. Just need to be the phone verification verified user. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.